Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Last class, we completed actually maximum minima. We have received 9 points. That problem completed, huh? 1, 0, 0, minus 1, like this we have received 9 points.
Sir.
Complete or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the maximum value found, huh?
Yes, sir, we found that.
Actually, it is valid only 1, 1, minus 1, then 1 minus 1, I think so. Correct, huh? Remaining are saddle points, huh?
No, sir, those are saddle points.
What the double numbers are
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, double numbers are saddle points.
double 1, 1, 1, minus 1 are that combination 1 or minus 1 may be saddle point. 0, 1 and 1, 0 minus with 0 and 1 combination are the maxima and minima, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have completed what is the maximum value, minimum value also. Next we can go for the Lagrange's multipliers. Okay, some condition they will go. From there we use, you see. First listen. See. But some they will go from function f of x y z. Okay. They will give one condition. Given g is given. G is equal to some. Okay. G1 of x y z. Then they will say Lagrange's multipliers. How you will do means. Listen first. Not construction, sorry, constraint. What is the meaning of constraint? Any idea?
So some conditions.
So they will use one condition. G is the given condition. Function is what? F is what? That function maximum minima you have to find out. They will tell you. This is find the minimum value of for this condition. Find the maximum value of for this condition. They will do. So F is what? Function. That for that fellow you have to find maximum minima. G is what? Given condition. So somebody they will notations they will use different notations, but I will use like this only. But Lagrange's constraint maximum minima multipliers how I will constrain means capital F is equal to F plus lambda G. This F is what? For part function you are going to find maximum minima that you can treat as a small f. G is what? Given condition. Read the problem properly. Which is the G, which is the F we can find out. Then conditions how you will write. This is the first thing. This is given equation. Lagrange's multipliers I will write. Then you can find dou f by dou x. Dou f by dou x what will get? Tell me. Dou f by dou x what? Capital dou f by f is equal to capital F is equal to f plus lambda g I written. So dou f by dou x what you will get?
So fx plus.
That's dou f by small dou f by dou x plus lambda into dou g by dou x. Correct? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, dou f by dou y what you will get? Tell me. constraint of maximum minima, Lagrange's multiplier. Just note down f, they know f plus lambda g. F is what function. This is what given condition. G means given. First letter I am using.
So what is written after G
So
equals?
G is equal to?
G1 now. Because no, same if I don't want to use some other function, I am telling G1. F already
Answer.
used in.
And sir, what's the name of multiply? Like what's written before multiply?
Lagrange's multipliers. The while constraints, constraint of Lagrange's multipliers. Constraint of maxima minima for Lagrange's multipliers. Correct? F they will go. Given function is f of x, y, z. Condition is what g is equal to some g of x, y, z. So Lagrange's multipliers what capital F is equal to f plus lambda g. Then I will differentiate dou f by dou x. Then dou f by dou y, what will you tell me? Dou f by dou z.
Dou f by
dou z plus lambda into
lambda
dou z,
dg by 2.
Suppose three variables. No, actually we are using only this is what function of several variable we are dealing with. Up to two variable is something. Suppose more than two or then 3, 4, whatever maybe. Dou f by dou z plus lambda into dou z by dou z. Note down fast. How is your CT1? Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uploaded properly or done,
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Capital F is equal to, how can you write? Capital S is what Lagrange's form we are finding. Small f plus lambda into g. Where you will correct lambda for given condition only. F is what function you are finding maximum. They will go clearly in the problem, don't worry. Find the maximum of for the given condition. Find the minimum of for the given condition like this. You don't worry. Clear? So,
Yes, sir.
while
Yes, sir.
reading the problem, you try to understand who is the F, who is the G. That is it. That is enough. If you are able to find out, means what your job is over. Clear?
Sir, here lambda is
Lambda is some
constant.
constant I am adding.
Okay,
That,
sir.
the Lagrange's function I am forming, adding these two with lambda, connecting with lambda I am doing. I want to find lambda value, then x, y, z value. Then such a value, if I am doing some operations, lambda value, x, y, z value, I will find out. Once if I find x, y, z means what? For this x, y, z, my function attains maximum. For this x, y, z, my function attains minimum. What condition you will get, that only it will reach. They will tell find the maximum of this condition is what? Guarantee what value, that is maximum only. You don't worry about
Okay.
minimum. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I going fast?
Yes, sir,
No,
it's
no, sir.
already.
Okay. Now, how you will constrain means what? First we can write dou f by dou x equal to 0 implies what will you get, tell me? This is one condition. Then dou f by dou y equal to 0, capital dou by. That implies what I will get? people they will do dou f by dou lambda also. I don't want to give actually. Some people they will do dou f by dou lambda. Dou f by dou lambda, what will it tell me? Dou z by dou z. Actually, condition only we get it. That is, don't worry. But time we can write down, I will tell you while doing the problem. So, again listen, how you will frame Lagrange's multipliers. They will do some function, some condition they will do. Then you will write using Lagrange's multipliers how you will do capital F is equal to small f plus lambda into g. Who is small f? For what function you are going to find maximum minimum, that is function. You know, this is for this function only I want to find maximum minimum. G is what given condition. Then dou f by dou x equal to 0 means one small dou f by dou x. These three are the life of the problem. Using these three, I will play the game. Copy down. Sir, shall I above?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A, B, C are what? First is what given is f is equal to f plus lambda x, then dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, dou f by dou z. That we all are equal to 0 means what? Small capital A, B, C unit, that's the constraints. Using that, I will do. Okay, take one problem now, you understand clearly. Take. Find the minimum value of Sridhar sir.
Yes, sir.
Find the minimum value of x square plus y square plus z square subject to the condition find the thing. He is only clearly announcing. Find the minimum value of subject to the condition. Who is the function? Who is the g now? Who is the small f?
1, sir.
Hey, one na.
Small f, no, sir.
Small f is equal to what? Read out. Who is the small f? For whom I am finding maximum minimum?
Sir, x square plus y square plus
That we can identify. Yes, small f is equal to what? X square plus y square. Now condition is what?
1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 1.
You can such a way you can take the values x, y, z, but always is what? 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 1 means what? The given function should be always minimum. Reaching or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now slowly you can start. Who is small f?
X square plus
X
y
square
square
plus
plus
y
z
square
square.
plus z square.
Who is z?
1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to 1.
Enough? Is it correct?
So lambda, sir.
Lambda.
1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z over.
Equals to 1.
So equal to 1.
Is equal to 1. Already you are telling g is equal to, then how many equal you will use?
So g is equal to 1.
So we can bring that 1 to this side and we can write as -1.
Minus one.
Tell me now. So this is the correct form. That is, but one, it won't happen actually while differentiating. By initially, if you start the problem is what? It will collapse. So this is the right way. Okay. Now Lagrange's form, how can you write? Tell me. This is called auxiliary function. Auxiliary function of f is equal to what? How you will write? F is equal to what?
F plus lambda g.
Lambda g.
Now slowly you can write, once if you write f plus lambda g means dou f by dou x is equal to 0 gives, directly can write. Dou f by dou x is equal to 0, what you will get? Tell me. Up to like, I'll copy down fast. Now, what you will get? Slowly, dou f by dou x is equal to 0 implies what will you tell me?
X square plus 2x plus lambda 2x.
Better you can write capital F is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda into 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z minus 1.
So 2x minus lambda x to the power minus 2.
What's that?
So 2x minus lambda x to the power minus 2.
Okay.
Dou f by dou x.
Dou f.
Dou f by dou x equal to 0 implies what you will get? 2x
Minus
Minus
lambda.
Lambda.
into 1 by x square.
clear?
Yes, sir.
This all steps you can write dou f by dou y is equal to 0 implies
So the same one.
clear. Similarly, this O will get 2z but somebody they will use dou f by dou lambda is equal to 0. Dou f by dou lambda, what will it tell me? What is dou f by dou lambda? Hello, are you
Yes,
there?
sir. 0, sir.
Hey, 0 va. Dou f by dou lambda.
One by x plus 1 by y plus 1
One,
by
sir,
z
one.
minus 1.
Tell me. Dou f by dou lambda is equal to what? 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z minus 1 is equal to 0 means what? 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 1. That is nothing but what?
1.
Or
One.
condition.
That is okay. That is what?
Condition.
That is okay, yaar.
Condition.
Babu, who is that fellow?
0.
Hey,
0.
G.
G.
Constant.
These are condition. Condition.
I want that term. See, that's why I am not mentioning dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou y is equal to 0 means what? Nothing but given condition. But every textbook they will go dou f by dou y of j equal to 0. Again I will reach where I will reach. That is nothing but what?
The
Condition.
Yes.
Are you clear or not?
Clear, sir. Crystal.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So if you want, you can use that also. Shall I have a clear?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir, done.
Yes.
Done, sir, done.
Tell me.
You can rub, sir.
Sir, rub, done.
Now from here you can copy this, copy down fast. Okay. Now what I will do means, okay, that also I will write. Why I want to speak. Implies okay. From A, what I will get, tell me? 2x minus lambda x square is equal to 0. From this is what? 2x cube is equal to lambda. X is equal to what? Lambda by 2 whole power 1 by 3. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
This is what?
Yes, sir.
From A. So from B, what I will get, tell me similarly?
So the same thing, sir. Lambda by 2
Why,
power
same
1.
thing. Same thing. Same thing means x is equal to what?
Y equals to.
Why, sir?
I is equal
You
to.
can-
Sir, that only,
you
sir.
can
Lambda
change
by
it.
2.
From
Lambda by 2,
B,
sir.
Y is equal to same fellow. From C,
Z equals to.
see, from this what you understand? X is equal to lambda by 2 whole power 1 by 3, y is equal to
X
lambda by
equal
2
to Y
1 by
equal
3.
to Z.
Very good. So, this stands. See, x is equal to y is equal to, can I substitute in D condition, what I will get? Any one fellow you can put. X is equal to y, x is equal to x, y also x, z also x. Then what will get?
So 3y is equal to 1 and
What?
x is equal to 3. X is equal to
X is
3.
equal to what?
3, sir.
3. Then, similarly,
Y is equal to
y
3.
is equal to what?
So what
This
is
is y.
written y? So this is y?
Similarly, y is equal to what?
3,
Three.
sir.
Three.
And
Ah,
Z equal to
sir.
3.
Z also 3.
X is equal to y is equal to z, you know. Similarly,
Yes.
y is equal to 3. Similarly,
Z is also 3.
not similarly, because already condition you know, then implies means you can write. Always I don't want substitute. Now, happily I received or not? Now, what is the minimum value? Tell me.
$27. $27.
Sir, clear?
Yes, sir.
So, according to this condition, my xyz is what? 3, 3 only, it will satisfy 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. For my function, who is the minimum? 27. Clear? You don't worry about maximum. He is telling, find the minimum of, for this condition, enough. What value is minimum only? You don't worry about what is the maximum, where I will get maximum, you don't worry. What is asking for that, you can solve, then stop. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, this problem you can try. Somewhat not tough, think and do. Don't attack fastly. Find the minimum value of. Here actually lambda nicely it's omitted. Sometimes lambda also you have to remove. Here obviously both are equal. Lambda nicely, I asked him to get out, he slowly went up. Sometimes it won't go. So slowly make him friendship, then ask him to get out slowly. It won't go very nicely. Okay? Then come on, take. Find the minimum value of given that ax plus by plus cz is equal to b.
is equal to ax plus by plus cz equals to
P for Pushpa. Now who is small f?
X square plus
X
y
square
square
plus
plus
y
z
square
square.
plus z square.
Who is g?
Ax plus by
Ax
plus
plus
cz
by
minus
plus
b.
cz minus b.
minus
Now write let f is equal to start story. So answer equation is what?
So for dou f by dou x is 2x plus lambda a.
What?
For dou f by dou x is 2x plus lambda a.
Wait, I'm coming. Now come on. Implies 2x plus
Lambda a.
By
a lambda is equal to 0. You should write actually dou f by dou x is equal to small dou f by dou x plus lambda into dou z into x put the term you can write it speaks like directly I'm going. Better you can write this also. Otherwise you may miss marks.
So 2z plus lambda c.
What's that? From this you can find lambda value or x value, whatever we can do, we'll get the answer. Suppose if you find x is equal to what, will get, tell me?
X is equals to minus a lambda upon 2.
X is equal to what?
Minus a.
Minus lambda a by 2.
Lambda by 2.
What is x? Tell me, sir.
Minus a lambda by 2.
A lambda by 2.
Y.
Minus b lambda by 2.
Minus b lambda by 2.
X.
Minus c lambda by 2.
Substitute it here at same condition. Then what will get, tell me?
Minus a
Minus
square
a
lambda by 2.
Minus lambda of
Lambda by 2.
Lambda by 2.
Minus c square lambda by 2.
C square lambda by 2 is equal to P.
Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now lambda I can take common.
so by 2 also, sir.
Lambda by 2.
Minus lambda by 2.
Clear? Check, don't copy down. Maybe I will do sometimes mistakes. Lambda is equal to minus 2p by a square plus b square plus c square, correct?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Once if I get the lambda, story over. Now what is my x? Now tell me. A lambda by 2, correct? Minus a lambda by 2. See how nicely framing the problem. Minus also will change, 2 also cancel. See, nicely we are getting. So, AP by a square plus b square plus c square is x. Who is y? Who is y?
So BP by
BP by a square plus b square plus c
a
square.
square plus b square plus
Who is z?
CP by a square.
Well,
plus
see
b square.
how nicely I am getting this. That is the mathematics. Finally, you will reach beautiful shape. Now, lambda value substituting in x, y, z, what I will get? Previously, nicely I removed, but here I can't remove. So slowly I am doing like this. Now, who is x, sir? I am writing directly. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Y is
BP by a square plus b square plus c square.
z.
CP by a square
CP by a
plus c square.
See, I removed nicely lambda. I got x, y, z value. Now what is asking minimum value? Go back and substitute what is my minimum value. Minimum value at where? AP by a square plus b square, comma BP by a square b square, CP by a square b square. What is my function? Tell me. Who is my function?
Sir,
X square
x
plus
plus
y
y
square
square
plus
plus
z
z.
square.
A square plus y square plus z.
Then what will it tell me?
Sir, 1 by x square plus 3 by 1 3 by x
Sir,
square
I have
plus
a
y
doubt,
square
sir.
plus z square.
Wait, coming.
Answer p square.
So this is the minimum value. Am I correct? Check. Clear or not?
So since a square plus b square plus c square is
What?
no, nothing, sir, nothing.
No, sir.
One man. Don't think. Come on. Somebody asked doubt.
So nothing, sir. I made a mistake.
No, you maybe written one, I think so. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
I know. Without seeing you, I can tell you what you write. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How it is?
Clear, sir. Yes, sir.
Now down is a square plus b square whole square. Top is a square plus b square into p square. The whole square and a square plus b square will cancel. Clear? So this is actually there are a super beautiful problems are there. Next class I will do. I will stop here. Okay. Next class we can do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now attendance starts from 2:17.
Yes, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18, absent. 19, 20.
Present, sir.
Number you can tell, sir. 220, yeah.
Yes, sir. 220.
Or 20. 21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25, 26,
Present, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
Sir,
29,
sir.
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32,
Present, sir. 32.
33,
Sir, 32 present.
33, double 3, 4,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38, 39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present, sir.
42, 43,
Present, sir.
44,
Present, sir.
45, 46,
Sir, 45 is here.
45 is present.
okay, 46, 46,
Absent, sir. 47 present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51, 52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir. 53.
what? 54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present, sir.
57,
Present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60,
Present, sir.
61,
Present, sir.
62,
Present, sir.
63,
Present, sir.
64,
Present, sir.
65,
Present, sir.
66,
Present, sir.
67. Don't put in chat box here.
67 left the college.
Okay. 68,
Present, sir.
69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74,
Present, sir.
75,
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present, sir.
78, 79,
Present, sir.
80,
Present, sir.
81,
Present, sir.
82.
Present, sir.
Last number is 82. Any numbers are there? 89.
Sir, 89.
83,
Present, sir.
84,
Present, sir.
85,
Present, sir.
86,
Present, sir.
87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89, 89.
Left the college.
Super. Any numbers are there?
18 present, sir.
18. What happened? Your number is 19, na? Bala.
Bala Kadir, sir.
Your number is 18, na?
Yes, sir.
Then what are you doing when I'm calling?
Sir, actually, I didn't.
No, sir. 1 second you can respond, sir. 1 hour I'm shouting like a mad fellow. Can't you respond 1 second? Okay,
Sorry.
okay. Now options are 19, 33, 38.
Sir, 19 present, sir. Sir, 19 present, sir.
38 present.
33, 38 present.
42.
30, 42 also present. 33, 46, 51, 66, 89 are the options. Okay? Yes or no? Okay, then leave.
Thank you, sir.
You can leave now.
Thank you, sir.
Juice.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, bye, bye. Last question.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Saras went out. Do you have any question?
Ma'am, why do we call them as Lagrange's multipliers?
He found it actually.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
What? Any problem?
No,
If
sir.
you found it, then call Kavya Pavla. Scientist name, he is found it. See, what we have juice only. They have done years together research.
Yeah, okay, sir.
What just we are enjoying with juice only. They have done years together, 10 years, 100 years research. After that, they have done this is the okay. This is not simple form. I analyze after real analysis, lot of things. After that, we concluded. What we have juice only, that also we are not enjoying. But anyway, good question.
Sir,
Okay, Amma.
దీనికి Lagrange's theorem కి మీ రిలేషన్ లేదు కదా సార్?
What?
Lagrange's theorem కి దీనికి ఏం రిలేషన్ లేదు కదా సార్?
Undundi, same Lagrange only. From there, one by one, he found it as 5 convicted.
Okay.
So they have done lot of things actually. Part. This is one part.
Yes, sir.
So many things these people have done.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
అది కూడా